Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn core Java step by step. Begin by understanding Java's basic syntax, including variables, data types, and operators. Next, master control flow statements like if else, switch, and various loops. This foundational knowledge is crucial for writing any Java program, setting you up for more complex topics ahead. Focus on these core elements first. Once you have the basics, dive deep into object-oriented programming, or OOP. Focus on encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, which are the three main pillars. Learn how to use abstract classes and interfaces for abstraction. Practicing how to design classes and objects will solidify your understanding, making your code modular and reusable for future projects. Next, move on to advanced core Java topics. Explore the collections framework, which provides powerful data structures like array lists and hash maps. Understand exception handling to gracefully manage runtime errors, preventing program crashes. Finally, learn about input/output operations and file handling, essential for interacting with external data sources and persistent storage. Consistent practice is key to mastering Java. Regularly solve coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Start building small projects, such as a calculator or a simple to-do list application, to apply what you've learned. Consider contributing to open-source projects for valuable real-world experience and collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.